Alright, welcome back to part 2 of the pre-runner light bar install on the 2002 Ford Ranger Edge. The lights came in the mail today. I opened up one of them, and I think they're exactly what I was looking for. Just kind of threw the bracket on there real quick. What I'm going to do now is I don't have a lot of daylight left. I'm going to go ahead and just mock these up, install these on here, and then I'll come back and probably tomorrow I'll wire them up. So these came from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. These are 5-inch lights. This light bar is made to handle, I think it's a 6-inch light, but the issue is the bracket right there, which makes it stick up. And if I would have gotten a 6-inch light, it would have extended up over 7 inches, meaning some of it would have been blocked by the top bar. So the 5-inch, these are spotlights, was what I chose. So I'm gonna get those out of the package, get them put together, and kind of loosely put them on there, so stay tuned. Okay, I got one of them loosely installed, mocked up, and they're not aimed or anything, of course. But I contemplated painting this hardware black, but I'm probably not going to worry about it because you really can't see it. But I probably will paint this black down here. I thought about flipping this over and having this up underneath, which I still may do, but it's got these little retentions right there that, well, I guess it would probably work if I flipped it around, which there seems to be enough room up there to clear the head of that bolt. I'd probably end up looking a lot better, so that's probably what I'll do. I'll get the other one opened up, get it put together, and see how it looks. But as far as the size goes, definitely pretty happy with that. Also very happy with the like the red ring around it, plus the fact that this is kind of tinted dark to kind of match all the rest of the features on there. So I know the lighting right now isn't great. We got about another hour of daylight left, so I'll end up getting this other one installed and wire this thing up tomorrow. Okay, I've got them both installed, and I did end up flipping the bolts around upside down. Looks a lot better. I'll go ahead and wire these up tomorrow. They did come with some set screws to do a fine adjustment, but that's probably best done at night. So we'll pick this up again tomorrow. All right, picking up where I left off, it's time to go ahead and connect the wiring on this. So this is coming from the harness, the old LED light bar, and this was kind of tucked behind there. And from the new lights, I've got 2 of these. So very simple. I'm going to go ahead and splice those together and then just plug them in. And I've got some quick disconnects. I'll go ahead and crimp those on there. You may choose to do that differently, but in my area where I live, the weather is not harsh at all, so I won't have any corrosion, but I will wrap the ends in electrical tape. But like I said, you can feel free to splice them or do whatever you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these, crimped onto here. And what I'm going to do is actually end up going down and under and inside this opening up through there, and then you won't see any of it. So I'll go ahead and get that started. All right, got this done. I'm going to wrap some tape around the whole thing, and then it'll be nice and weatherproof, at least weatherproof enough for me. Tuck it back up under there. And I guess when it gets dark, I'll go ahead and aim these. So I'll get this buttoned up and wait for it to get dark. So stay tuned. Figured I'd test them out before I secured all the wires. These things are definitely bright. All right, as the sun goes down here, got these things fired up. They are bright. Got them roughly aimed on the garage door. I had that down. but I need to take it out onto a dark road, which I will do shortly, and see how they compare. These are definitely made for distance, which is what I wanted. And anyway, give it a few more minutes and go for a drive. All right, the light from my LED headlights and LED fog lights is actually very good. There is no problem with lighting in this truck, that's for sure. Anyway, once I crest this hill, I'm going to turn around. I'll turn the headlights off, and then we'll turn on the new LED spotlights. Okay, it's nearly dark. Headlights are off. Turn the spotlights on. And looks like I need to spread them out and put them up a little bit. Headlights added to that. Fog lights added. Yellow fogs. Anyway, I will do a little more adjusting, and I think these will definitely go the distance. So, one more project completed on the 2002 Ford Ranger. Let me know if you have any questions. And I just wanted to add, this pre-runner bar is in no way structural. It is not a push bar. It's not a brush guard. It's just for mounting the lights. It's only mounted into the sheet metal of the front bumper, and so that's in case if anyone asks, it's definitely not a structural part. So, time to head home. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave your comments below. Check the link in the description. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, please give it a thumbs down twice. As always, we'll catch you on the flip side.